Welcome! In front of me I have POCO X3 Pro and the Huawei earbuds, the wireless AM61, and I'm going to show you how you can easily connect them to your POCO. So at the first, you have to open the settings of the Bluetooth on your POCO. Right now, when your AM61 are turned off, you have to turn them on, just like that. Click and hold the power button. Right now, keep holding, and when the indicator blinks on the red and the blue, it means that they are in the pairing mode, and you can also hear it when you put it into your ear that they are in the pairing mode. So you have to enable Bluetooth on your POCO. As you can see, they pop on the list, so we have to simply tap on them to connect, then click pair another time. As you can see, right now we are connected. As you can see, it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.